In previous video, I was talking about colorful iGame RTX 3090 graphics card advanced OC version. Today we will see how far it can overclock. So let's see.
You see in this Unison having benchmark DirectX 11 quality high to ultra, tessellation extreme, multi-monitor disabled, anti-aliasing 8x and resolution 4K. Okay, so let's see. You see in default clock it's about 1785 megahertz, 56 degrees Celsius temperature. RTX 3090 is very power hungry GPU. Currently it's almost 350 watt, 349, 343. I still not overclocked. Okay, so now I am to overclocked. 64, 67. Okay. You see 370 watt. Clock megahertz C 1875 megahertz, and FPS C, the FPS gonna high. FPS gonna high. You see this difference? Okay, now even step further. Let's say 98, and it's about 98. Okay. (1845 megahertz). Not so much FPS gain. Okay, push up even further. 121 memory clock even higher, 160. So let's see. (1800 megahertz), 1815 megahertz. FPS is still the same, almost the same. Power 365 watt. Still not crashed. Okay. Even further. 145 and memory clock 329. Okay, let's see. Now even a step further. 156 and 345. Okay. Still not crashing. 1875 megahertz. Still not crashing. You see 1900 megahertz. Okay, push up even further. Even further. Okay, now even step up further. I think now it should be crashed. 179 and memory clock, memory 406. It should be crashed. Oh, still not crashing. Still not crashing.
Up to 156. This is the last limit. If you even push up the bar, then it will crash. So 156 is the last limit. And memory clock 375 plus 375. So let's see some games. The display resolution was 8K. I set up this resolution 8K and all are max settings. 2085.
Get up here.
Wow, what a detail.
Looks like somebody lost some
8K.
arrows. Better pick them up.
It's so smooth, super smooth.
Hungry too.
You're not helping, Elara. You know how I feel about bugs. I hate Araklings.
They're just bugs, Captain.
Oh no, looks like someone helped us out by knocking over this tree. Let's use it. You can't shoot a heart for overgrowth. There! Ahead! Keep them at bay.
This is 8K resolution, max setting graphics.
Once my skin stops crawling, in the meantime, fill your flask, girl.
Great detail.
All the mana water our client could ask for.
Burning blood of the goddess. Elara, look here. I know that door. I saw it in my dream. It's an omen, Elara. We have to see what's in there.
You know me. I'm always happy to open strange doors with screaming faces carved above them.
Sally, better give me a hand opening it. Get over here and help me, Elara, before more crawlers show up. I think, stay sharp, girl. No telling what's down here.
Your dream promised riches.
2100 megahertz is not
Don't tell me
stable
you're afraid of
in this
demons
card.
as well as bugs.
It's like this.
GPU was not stable, so
No, you can't.
156 plus 156 core clock is good, and it looks like it's stable.